welcome the gathering, I now invite Stalin.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of all those who are gathered here, I wholeheartedly welcome the chairman of the NAC PhD, Dr. Professor Kailash, the Department of Economics, which was selected as the best department of St. Paul's College, Kalmacheri, consecutively for the 3 years. For the academic and non-academic achievements the department
in each campus.
We have PG and UG. First PG we have 20 students and the second PG also 20 students. For each UG batch we have 50 students.
Do you have any department in library?
Yeah,
Yes.
we have
Department?
Yes.
We have here.
Yeah.
Yes. They have an extensive library. You can say that.
Very good department library. Around 500 books are there.
And
The department, their library.
Any workshop, seminar organized by this department?
Yeah, in the period of evaluation from 2015-20, we have organized around 29 seminars and workshops, including the online seminars, and we have around 34 publications and other department activities as well. And we have around 10 add-on courses in the Department of Economics, and we have professional tour guide, that is a career-oriented program sanctioned by the UGC in the year 2015, and we have received around 7 lakh to conduct the add-on course. Around 300 students have successfully completed the program, and we have around 10 add-on courses. Basically, that is deliberately introduced by the Department of Economics to bridge the skill gap, the gap that is there in the job market.
All seminar qualified as per UGC
Yes.
and selected permanently?
Yes. These two faculties are history and the political science are assistant professor on contract. For each year, we
What is the salary for contractor?
Salary.
Yeah.
Salary is it's like 1,750 per day.
1,750 per day.
Per day.
That's fixed by DD office. 750 per day. That's fixed by the government DD.
Really good.
Working days?
Yes.
Yeah. That is all.
Only working days, but that's fixed by the government.
And paid by the government or private?
Paid by the government.
Paid from the DD office.
DD office, directory.
Deputy Director.
That's deputy
And
director.
other 5 members are paid as per UGC norms and
Yes,
seven
some of
paid.
them have already received the certificate. Yeah.
welcome NAC PRT members. Welcome all of you. I myself, Justin Joe, Assistant Professor and HOD of the Department of Economics. Department of Economics is one of the oldest departments here at St. Paul's College. Along with the teaching and learning, we have been doing many activities and programs of various kinds with the objective of making a holistic development of students. Department of Economics started functioning in 1979-80 by the introduction of UG course in economics and PG course in economics, that is MA Economics, started in 1982-83, and we celebrated Ruby Jubilee of the Department of Economics in 1890. Along with these two regular courses, we have been conducted around 10 add-on courses in the Department of Economics for the period 2014-20. Professional Tour Guide is a career-oriented program sanctioned by the UGC to the Department of Economics in 2014-15. And we have received around 7 lakh to conduct the Professional Tour Guide program. Along with the Professional Tour Guide, we have around 10 add-on courses. For example, database on Indian economy, organic farming, banking and financial services, fundamentals of capital market, and around 400 students have successfully completed the program. And these add-on course programs are deliberately introduced by the Department of Economics with the objective of bridging the gap. The skill, what is required in the job market, and the skill offered in the curriculum. We have 7 faculties in the Department of Economics, and we have a board of studies in the Department of Economics, and all of us are the members of board of studies. Along with that, 3 academic experts and 1 industrial experts. We have a department advisory body with regard to the curriculum planning, delivery and enrichment. Very specifically, I can say that we have a special e-learning platform here at St. Paul's College, that is e-learning at St. Paul's. Around 13 courses are offered by the faculty of the Department of Economics in the e-learning platforms. These are the screenshots of the evidences of the e-learning platforms of faculty of the Department of Economics. teaching and learning and evaluation is a very important part of the education process, and we have a special mechanism in the Department of Economics to deal with the student diversity, and we have specific program for the advanced learners and the slow learners. In the Department of Economics, we believe that the students can create knowledge, and they can create knowledge by learning by themselves. These are the participatory learning strategies adopted by the Department of Economics: debate competition, union budget discussion, special lecture program, career-oriented program, field research, and the social research activities. This is one of the participatory learning strategy adopted by the Department of Economics, that is Professor Anthony Isaac debate competition. Every year we used to conduct this debate competition, and it helped the students to understand the current issues of Indian economy, society and politics. Union budget discussion. Through this program, students given opportunity to participate in the union budget discussion. Entire students of the Department of Economics are benefited through this program. This is another unique participatory learning initiative of the Department of Economics. It enables the students to meet and interact with the masters of different disciplines. Beneficiaries are the entire students of the department. Career-oriented talks. We conduct career-oriented talks in the beginning of every academic year. It actually helps the students to plan and develop a career along with the course. Field visit. You know that there is a gap existed between the real world and the academic world, and we deliberately introduce a field visit to bridge the gap. And every year we used to conduct field visit. This is a unique strategy adopted by the Department of Economics, that is a social research program. As a part of this social research program, we first identify the important social, economic and the political issue, and then we evaluate the issue by using standard scientific research paradigm with our own resources. Many programs are conducted under this title. Very specifically, I can say that the challenges of online learning platform for teaching a student perspective. This is a large-scale survey conducted by the Department of Economics. Around 600 students are participated in the survey. Then the electricity consumption in household, evidences from the Kalamassery municipality, effect of COVID-19 pandemic on income, health condition of COVID-19 infected patients. This is a distinctive activity. It is a unique activity of the Department of Economics. It is unique not just because of the initiative, it is unique because of the disseminating practices. At the end, if the time permits, I will show you a video that we used to disseminate the output of the social research program. This is the experiential learner strategy of the Department of Economics. It includes field project, educational visit and the field visit. Again, our students are performing well in the university examination. In the last year, 3 of our students in the MA Economics, that is MA degree examination in 2018-20, 3 students of our batch successfully secured 4th, 5th and 6th rank of MG University. These are the awards and recognition received by the faculty of the Department of Economics. Sumita Franklin received PhD in 2019 and best. These are the glimpses of the research, innovation and extension, and the research highlights. Chapters, 6 chapters, 2 books, 24 journal articles, 1 journal article in Scopus and 34 presentations. Of total, we have arranged 29 seminars, including the one sanctioned by the UGC in 2016, that is Indian economy in the 21st century. Around 60,000 rupees we received to conduct the program. Around 2,85,000 rupees which we received in the period to conduct the minor research program. 2 of them completed in 2016 and 1 completed in 2018. These are the extension activities of the Department of Economics. If you ask me what is the important strength of the Department of Economics, I would say that is extension activities of the Department of Economics. Village adoption program, Swachh Bharat initiative, Poly and Green initiatives, digital literacy campaign, financial literacy campaign, flood relief campaign, sensitization program and important day celebration programs. These are the collaborations of the Department of Economics. Currently we have 3 active MOUs and these are our collaborators. And we have a department library in the economics department. Around 500 books are there in the department library along with the online resources. These are the glimpses of the student achievements and awards. These are the prominent alumni of the Department of Economics. P. Rajiv, Honorable Industrial Minister, Government of Kerala. Basil Thambi, IPL player. And Privi Sinijan, again MLA of Perumbavoor. Sri P.V. Babu. He is the Director of Economics and Statistics in the Department of Kerala. Zakir Hussain, Salim, he is a former GCDA chairman. Gias, again the IPL player. And Veena Antony is a film artist. These are the best practices of the Department of Economics, academic extension activities, career-oriented talks. Again, Professor Antony Isaac debate competition, best students, community awareness, field visit and the union budget discussion. These are the glimpses of the best practices of the Department of Economics. Then the future plan of the Department of Economics, upgrade department as a research center, evaluate the department as a center for learning in economics and education and research. With this, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll show you the video which we created as a part of social research program that we used to disseminate the evidences of the social research program. Received an appreciation letter from KSEB for that.
That's it.
Thank you.